Welcome to Cooking Shit with Sean. Well, it's that time of year, as you can see from my fucking Christmas cheer, and we're gonna nut all over my kitchen. What? Talking about candied pecans, dumbass. Don't be fucking gross. This is a holiday show. Anywho, I'm gonna show you how to make this shit right here. I call it Santa's Spicy Nutsack. Made the label myself. Speaking of Santa, motherfuckers think it's funny to buy me Santa shit that also looks like me. What the fuck? I mean, look at this fucking hideous thing. I don't look anything like that grumpy fuck. But anyway, let's just get to it, shall we? Now, we're going to be beating egg whites, so I like to use this fucking thing, but apparently I lost the damn beating attachment, so I'm going to have to beat... Wait, let's get this off. Wait, what was I saying? Beat off? What? Anyway, I got a backup. We'll beat our shit old school with this thing, 1970s style. Anyone got a Farrah Fawcett poster? Holy shit, this thing's old. They don't make shit like they used to, but, you know, beating is still beating. Anyway, here's how we do. Don't do that. Okay, we need some fucking eggs, and my chicken eggs are kind of shitty. I mean, they literally have chicken shit on them, so I got some bleached store-bought ones so as to not give my friends salmonella and shit, and some vanilla extract. You'll need cayenne, nutmeg, cinnamon, powdered sugar, pecans, duh, and some fine-ass granulated sugar. Damn, sugar, you look fine. By the way, no, I'm not wearing a devil shirt. It's a Krampus shirt. Don't be a dumbass. Okay, we're going to melt 4 sticks of butter, but anywho, Krampus is from Western European folklore. It's basically Santa's evil brother. St. Nick gives presents to good little children, but there's always those kids who don't give a fuck, and Krampus will come beat them with a stick, or eat them, or take them to hell, saying, "You're fucking welcome," to the parents on his way out, and parents be like, "Whew!" Anyway, it's tradition to leave Santa cookies and milk and leave Krampus schnapps or a distilled fruit brandy. So there you go. You just accidentally learned some shit. You're welcome. Someone out there's all, "I already knew that." Well, kudos. So anyway, we're doing 6 egg whites for this recipe, and I was going to mansplain how to properly do this, but I changed my mind. That's what fucking Google's for, and I don't get paid by the minute. Actually, I don't fucking get paid at all, so figure it the fuck out. And here's the rooster jizz that gets stuck in the egg, so you can remove that if it grosses you out. No, quit being a dumbass. It's a umbilical. I jest. So slimy. Back in the day, Krampus and Santa used to rub pee-pees. There's another knowledge bomb for you. Damn, look at me go. I sure am fucking into that, apparently. Alright, measure out 2 cups of fine-ass granulated sugar. Set that shit aside. And now this here vanilla extract says alcohol-free. How are we supposed to appease the Krampus without alcohol? What the fuck? But Christmas is saved because our good friends, the Zaps, made bourbon vanilla extract for Christmas a couple years ago. That's what I'm talking about. Go Zaps. Put that other shit right the fuck back. Fuck off. Alright, let's get this shit into gear here. This year I bought 2 cheap disposable aluminum baking pans for this because, look at this shit. I can't make a video where I cook on these. Nobody will fucking want to eat this shit. So, okay, 4 sticks of melted butter. Throw it on there. Don't be shy. And sometimes when I'm making a video, I think, oh, I better make a weird face so I can say something funny about it, or make a kind of disappointed face and, you know, look away and sigh. Anyway, I didn't have anything funny to say there, so let's just get on with it. 2 teaspoons of Krampus-approved vanilla, and shake your head like, yep, there you go. And beat your 6 egg whites with an old 1970s beater, and try not to electrocute yourself. It'll look like that if you do. Yeah, and beat it till it's stiff, and if you're a dude, enough said. Alright, well, add your fucking vanilla, and then beat the sugar in gradually. It'll start getting thick like, you know, Krampus spooge, I guess. What, you were waiting for me to say something gross? Bunch of weirdos. Damn, I spooged on my own glasses. Oh well. I know. Alright, throw in the pecans, 2 pounds worth. If you don't want that many, then have the fucking recipe. Do what you want. I'm not the fucking boss of you. And dump that shit in your pan, spread it out so it cooks evenly. Then, get your fucking neck into it. You know, like a little to the right, a little to the left, a little to the right, like that. Okay, put that shit in the oven, 325 degrees, 40 minutes total, but stir it up every 10 minutes or you'll fuck it up. You can decide what that looks like, sickos. Okay, it's a waiting game, so we're going to honor the Krampus tradition and make a fucking hot toddy offering, and we'll carry it around in our bellies to make sure we're extra protected. So we need some lemons, and if you don't have a Meyer lemon tree in your yard, then maybe it's because you live in the Arctic. I don't fucking know where you live, nor do I care. I'm busy cooking shit. Might as well put some orange in it too there, so... Well, I don't have any traditional distilled fruit brandy for Krampus, so you'll have to make do with some fucking orange tea shit, and it's simple. Lemons, hot water, and honey. What the fuck, Krampus? Oh, no, the 10-minute timer went off, so... Anyway, time to stir. Get back up there. Anyway, I'm not going to make you watch all this. It's fucking stirring, it's not brain surgery. Okay, let's pop it back in for another 10, and we got a Krampus offering to whoop up. Anyway, we're putting some JMO on it because we do what the fuck we want. Then lemon, and oh yeah, I grabbed some oranges, so I'll squeeze some of that in because fuck it. And we don't want to piss off Krampus, so be sure there's plenty of, you know. Oh, and by the way, I misspoke when I said Krampus. I meant cramps. Wifey Poo's having cramps. That's what the Drinky Poos are actually about. I have cramps. What? Oh, just the timer. Alright, you know the fucking drill. Flip them over. Okay, now move your head around like you're actually doing something. Okay, let's give him that sultry look. Well, whether it's Krampus or cramps, this will do the trick. Hi. Timer again. Hello again. This is getting weird. Anyway, yep, flippity fucking doodah. Meanwhile, put a cup of powdered sugar in a Ziploc with cinnamon, nutmeg, and cayenne. However much you fucking want, that's how much. You have a tongue, right? Then use it. Anyway, do it twice. 1 cup in each Ziploc and then set it aside. Well, it's hot work staving off Krampus and poor wifey's cramps, so go cool off if need be. Okay, fuck, finally. 40 minutes have passed, and we need to cool these a bit, so put them in a bowl. Then while your nuts are warm, put them in your bag and fondle that bag until it's all white everywhere. Then cool your nuts off and, damn, tastes amaze balls. Don't forget you got 2 bags to do, so do it. And I always like to make a funny, borderline inappropriate sticker of whatever I'm making. So, anywho, put your sticker on Santa's nutsack and there you go. That's it. Bag this shit up. Santa's Spicy Nutsacks. You're fucking welcome. And happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Hoes. I mean ho ho ho. Alright, well, that's the end. So, get out of my kitchen. Toodaloo.